First you need to change one side. It's from this side. As you can see, it's only one side of the hub spokes are changed. And now I will change another side. And you don't need to move the spokes and the hubs, you change only the rim. So I have this tool. It's a special tool for nipples. So nipples fix it here, and I can move it. Now I only need to remove all trim. And to fix the tension in this rim. So I made a tension on the spokes, and it is very straight, I think. And as you can see, it's very simple and fast to change your curved, not straight rim for a new one. Please subscribe to my channel, enjoy my video, and thank you very much.